Hey guys, welcome back. Adam Van Fleet here with another walkthrough by MarineMax North Shore. Today we're walking through one of our used boats. It's a 2021 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. You got a 40 horsepower Mercury on the back there. Nice, low hours, always maintained. Back here you got plenty of room if you're putting coolers, beach chairs, anything you're taking to the sandbar, to the beach. Boarding ladder is back here, coming standard on the 130 Sports. Makes entering and exiting the boat nice and easy for everyone. You have a couple different options at the helm here. This particular option is going to be the hinged backrest seats. A lot of our customers prefer these ones because it makes it easy to get back and forth through the boat, but also when you're covering it up, it's nice and tucked away there. Helm seat, you got a tachometer, stainless steel steering wheel, and the black dash accents there. Right underneath that, you have the Mercury shift controls, trim button, forward, neutral, reverse there obviously, and you also have a throttle only option there as well. This particular boat does have the cooler option. All right, it's not in here now, it is stored out back, but you put a cooler here with a cushion, gives you another extra seat. Moving up to the bow of the boat, nice handrail. All right, this is the high profile bow rail option if you're gonna spec it out. Underneath that here, you do have your storage locker for your anchor. Nice cleat right up front so you can tie it down without having to hassle with it all there. Handrails inside the boat for when you're walking around. Last but not least, let me walk around here and show you. You do have a storage compartment up here. You want to throw your wallet, phone, keys, anything you need right down in here. Cup holder right at the captain's position, and there are two more in the helm bench there. And it does come with the single axle trailer, galvanized straight from Boston Whaler. Guys, that concludes our walkthrough here, the 130 Sport. You want to check this boat out, we do have it in the showroom, along with a couple dozen other boats that we do have available to check out here in Danvers. Any questions? Come on down, or you can call me at 781-635-8684. Again, my name is Adam. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.